Everybody's digging. They must have just filled up this wall. Let me go check it out. All right, I'm gonna show y'all everything I got, but first I gotta dig through these quickly because they are about to start trashing them. These are pretty empty. So far all I found is this brass and wood box right here. So these have probably been out for a while. Okay, this is what I found on the wall when I first came in. I've been collecting these little gold frames just to have to put in vignettes. And I also found this one. I was like, oh, that would be cute on a stack of Bibles. Then I found a Bible, and look, I love all of the tags. This one's very used and loved. I found a gold vintage hairbrush. Look at the florals. Love this one. Two pretty blue birds. They are selling pepper shakers, but I also just like to have these to put in vignettes or for DIYs. And a goose, I don't know, decorative thingamajiggy. Or do you bake in this? I don't know. It has gooses on it, so it was coming home with me. They are almost done taking everything off this wall, so now I just need to wait for them to refill it. I don't know if they're gonna do the other side since it looks like they had done it right before I came in. Let's look at the furniture that they have here today. Chair back there. There's a little desk, a piano. That is the top of maybe a china hutch over there. Lots of beds and chairs today. Here's some upholstered ones over here. Look at this. $10, y'all, for this blue chair. Oh, I thought it swiveled. It does not. This case is really cool. It looks like black leather. I'm not sure what was in here, and then the straps, but it does have that old smell. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm gonna leave it here. I'm thinking maybe like a camcorder or something. Oh, look. It's like velvet right here. Made in Japan. Yeah, I just don't know if I can get that smell out. This is a very colorful Afghan. I would love to pick this up, but it is not in good condition, so I'm gonna leave it here. All right, I dug through the wall that they refilled, and guess what I found? Absolutely nothing. There was nothing here that I want. It's just a bunch of like actual junk. I'm pretty sure this is a belt. This is what the clasp looks like. Don't think it would fit me, but look at this rusty gold. I cannot leave this here, so I'm gonna bring it home and figure out some way I can incorporate this in my house. Ooh, this bin is full of frames. Look, these two cute little oval ones. For sure getting those. Okay, this one is pretty. First, I love the size, and this wood almost looks like a leather color with this gold. Love that. Rusty gold. That is so pretty. So let me show y'all the difference. See, this is rusty gold. This is bright gold. I'll probably just go ahead and get both of these. Like, why not? And let's see what else I got. This one, nah. This one, nah. What is this thing right here? Okay, it's a pelican, but it's like a rubber ducky pelican. But no telling where to spend. I'm not gonna get that. Ooh, some flowers. Oh, this is cute. Look at this little wood piece. It is from Target. Somebody took the florals out, but I love these. Look at the pretty color. And these little white ones. So I'm gonna get some frames and some florals out of these bins. I just found some old newspapers, and I'm wondering if they are worth anything. So this one says Nixon resigns. This one, they seem to be about Ford and Nixon. I don't know. And then this one right here, Gerald Ford begins presidency. So is this something that I should pick up, or should I just leave it here? I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know if I should grab these. Score. I just found a pack of flags. Looks like there's 2 in here that are 18 inches, which is a good size. I'm picking up all the Americana stuff that I find right now. Check out this really awesome trunk that they just brought out. This part looks like leather. And then I don't know what this is. I think it's wood underneath, as you could see some of it. Oh my gosh, look at all the metal pieces. Oh, it's really heavy. Wow, this thing is huge. Let's see what the price is. Oh, it smells old. I got a whiff when I open it up. $20. Look at the bag. This would be a little too high for a coffee table, but it'd be a good side table or end table. They also are filling up these walls right now and the ones across that they did right before I came in. So that is exciting. They have so many of these rolls of textured wallpaper. I don't want them, but I feel like somebody else would love them with these teals and pinks and browns in them. Oh, somebody come rescue these from the Goodwill Bins. They just rolled out a new bin and I found a few things. Look at this hand-painted Tabasco tin right here. It is not signed, but I love when I find these. That must have been very popular to paint these because I find them pretty often. These vintage wooden blocks. We have a kangaroo and an airplane, and look how precious this vintage Raggedy Ann doll is with her little floral outfit. I just absolutely had to rescue her. I just found 3 little bales. They say Las Vegas on it, but they're the perfect size for a trinket tray. So I'm gonna grab these and just paint them. All right, they finished refilling this wall, and again, I found absolutely nothing. It's stuffed animals, games. They're rolling out some bins right here. I'll probably dig through those, and then I'm gonna head out because even though they're rocking and rolling and bringing out lots of new stuff, it is just not anything that I am interested in. Well, it looks like all clothing and bags to me that they're bringing out on that new bin, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Honestly, I feel like I got a good amount of stuff, but for how quickly they've been bringing out new items, it is a little disappointing that I didn't find more things that I liked. But y'all leave a comment, let me know what is your favorite item that I got today. Lots of frames. And I'll put it, oh wait, I don't think I showed y'all this one. Okay, it's heavy gold, a little bit of rust, but I love the hanger on top, so I got that one. I'll put a total on the screen of what I spent on this stuff. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all again real soon for another thrifting adventure. If you're interested in the types of items that you see in my videos, you can find them on my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com, in the home decor section. Or you can come check me out on Whatnot. I have shows every single Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.